So now let's see how we can work around with reflections inside of a composition inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I got two layers right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and turn both of them into 3D right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and turn both of them into 3D. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and move this out right here, just like this, and I'm going to see the 3D layer right here. So I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this particular layer right here, and then move this out. So I'm just going to go around and move this out over here onto the front over here, just like this. So this is what I have. So now if I were to go around over here onto this particular layer, what I have as an option over here is under materials. You can go around over here and then you can go around and cast out reflection over here. So over here you can see that I can go around over here and cast out reflection right here, and I can also enable receiving reflection. Let me just go around over here onto the other plain object right here, and if I were to go around over here onto material, I can go around and receive out reflection over here as well. So once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. So there is a reflection that is casted out for this particular layer right here, on the layer behind it right here, just like this. You can go around and move this in, move this back, and you can see a reflection over there, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is the reflection. It says receive reflection right here, just like this right here. So that is what you have. So you can also go around and turn on off the cast reflection right here, and then that is what you have, as you can see. So shininess, you can go around and decrease this out. So let me just go around and decrease out some values right here, like specular reflectivity right here. You can go around and decrease it, and what happens is that you can see that the reflection actually goes around and dims around as you go around and change that out right here. So no matter what the color is of the object though, you can see that the reflection is white right here. So besides shadows, you can also add in reflections like this to add in interesting properties just like this, and make your animations interesting as you work around with it. So that is how you can turn the reflections on, and then you can also go around and turn it off right here. So what you can do is you can go around over here and then you can turn it off as well. So there's this receive reflection. You can turn it on or off just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe